Becoming a dad for the first time is an incredible journey, full of joy, love, and yes, a little chaos. But here's the good news. Staying organized can make all the difference. Without a plan, those first few weeks can feel overwhelming. But with a little preparation, you can reduce stress and enjoy more precious moments with your newborn. What does staying organized mean for new dads? Organization isn't about perfection. It's about having systems in place so you're not scrambling when the baby arrives. It means meal prepping so you're not living on takeout, having a hospital bag ready, so you're not rushing last minute, and setting up a simple baby schedule to bring some predictability to your days. Why does staying organized matter? Because newborns don't come with a manual, and sleep deprivation is real. The more you prepare now, the smoother life will be later. Organization means less time wasted searching for essentials and more time bonding with your little one.
Before our baby came, I thought I could wing it. Big mistake. The first week was chaos, until we got organized. Meal prepping saved us, and having a checklist meant we never forgot the diapers.
Studies show that structured preparation significantly lowers stress levels for new parents, helping them feel more confident and in control. Mike discovered the hard way that being organized can make all the difference. His story is a testament to the power of preparation. Take Mike, a first-time dad who thought he could figure it out as he went. After 2 sleepless nights and forgotten hospital essentials, he sat down with his partner and got organized.
Once we prepped freezer meals, packed the hospital bag early, and set up a simple feeding tracker, everything changed. We actually had time to enjoy our baby instead of just surviving.
Here are 3 simple steps to help you get organized and make the most out of your early parenting days. Ready to take control? Follow 3 simple steps to get organized. Here's how. First, meal prep. Cook and freeze meals before the baby arrives. Trust us, you won't regret it. Second, hospital bags. Pack it at least 3 weeks early. Babies don't wait for due dates. Third, baby schedule. Even a basic log helps spot patterns and keeps you sane. Teamwork makes the dream work. Sit down with your partner and divide tasks. It's a game changer. As we wrap up this journey, remember that staying organized can make a huge difference in your experience as a new dad. Parenthood is unpredictable, but being organized gives you one less thing to worry about. So take a little time now to prepare. Your future self and your new family will thank you. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button for more insights on your fatherhood, and join us on this A to Z journey. See you in the next video, where we'll dive into post-birth plan. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified for the next video. Like and share this video with your friends if you find it helpful. Also, mention comments and share your opinions on organization is key. Congratulations, Dad, you've got this.